In today's post, I'm going to discuss a combination tablet kit for the treatment of leucorrhea, also known as white discharge. This kit contains Fluconazole 150, Azithromycin 500, and Secinidazole 500, and it's commonly used to clear up the condition. First things first, here's what you need to know about leucorrhea. A thick vaginal discharge that is whitish, yellowish, or greenish in color may be indicative of leucorrhea. This condition is also referred to as fluor albus. In common parlance, this phenomenon is referred to as white discharge. There are a number of factors that can lead to leucorrhea. However, an estrogen imbalance is the most common cause. As a result of the vaginal infection, you may notice an increase in the volume of discharge, which also has the potential to vanish and then reappear at random intervals. It's possible that this discharge will continue for years. If it does, it'll become increasingly yellow and pungent. In most cases, it is a non-pathological symptom that is a secondary effect of inflammatory conditions affecting the vagina or the cervix. Bacteria, fungi, and even protozoa can occasionally be the culprits in the outbreak of infection. Women are more likely to be affected by this condition than men. Fluconazole, azithromycin, and secinidazole are the three medications that are included in the combination tablet kit that is used to treat leucorrhea. I'll walk you through the steps. You have a period of 24 hours to complete the kit's requirements. In most cases, you should be able to take the tablets, such as azithromycin, in the morning a few hours before eating, followed by tablets of fluconazole in the afternoon after eating, and then tablets of secinidazole in the evening after eating. After 21 days, you should use the kit once again. A rate of cure that is considered to be reasonable has been observed. This combination tablet is offered by a number of different manufacturers and is available on the market. Nevertheless, you can purchase this medication on its own and then take it in the manner that was described earlier. A sincere thank you to everyone who watched.